Singapore and Kenya have signed a Memorandum of Understanding to strengthen cooperation in financial technologies. The move is to help improve the way business owners and consumers manage their daily finances. The agreement sets a foundation for joint innovation projects by the Monetary Authority of Singapore and the Central Bank of Kenya. It also is expected to stimulate trade and investments between the two countries. CNA's Michael Baleke files this report from Nairobi.
The Memorandum of Understanding marks the first collaboration of its kind between Singapore and any country in Africa. Signed at the Afro-Asia Fintech Festival in Nairobi, it opens a digital bridge linking Africa and Asia to work together more closely through financial technologies.
What Fintech is doing is it's focusing on a lot of neglected parts of society. And when you look at it globally, that's the mass of humanity. It's ordinary farmers, it's women, it's young people, it's people who otherwise wouldn't have had a chance in a regular conventional system. And it's focusing on opportunity for them.
Kenya's President Uhuru Kenyatta says financial technologies from Singapore present new opportunities not just for Kenya, but a wider Africa, focusing on innovations like the mobile phone, which have helped transform the lives of the local population.
Other groundbreaking innovations, including M-Copper, a service delivery innovation in the power and lighting subsector, has enabled many rural households to receive solar lighting, thus liberating families from the time-consuming pursuit of firewood and kerosene fuels, while also enabling children to study longer at night.
The Kenyan festival has attracted many Singapore companies to show off their latest tech solutions. There seems to be a growing interest among Asian companies to bring their innovations to the African market. But some fintech experts here argue that Africa needs to invest especially in human capital, job creation and all elements conducive for the development of financial technologies. And they believe this will require new strategies and approaches.
That includes a relatively young population which is digitally savvy and early adopters of technology. Combine this with really big needs, infrastructure needs, needs for financing, and those are problems that need to be addressed.
The hope is that the Memorandum of Understanding is going to provide a platform for connections, collaborations and exchange of ideas between Africa and Asia, with the prospect of making a difference in the lives of people on both continents and beyond. Michael Baleke, CNA, Nairobi, Kenya.